me. Now one coach Kevin Taylor. Now one coach Destiny. Now one coach Mama take any sister Betty G. Nasa obe me dia. Fashion to me say me bo uchiya. Because I'm gonna starting first. Said you must see dear president at them. Sana yen so you started demo president at them. Sebi and can koye. And can koye me say so obe me nasa watch the sound for my bo mudine dia. You are free to go. But I won't show I'm not doing sa come dia me bo uchiya. We are ready so be and yes I
I was for my money na makwaba Edbagan and Sem TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say be next time videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say the money down if Mr. President. Baby who be from Mr. President I meje also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section I meje also. Who see me TikTok na pay Mr. President I meje also sir. Koye dey baby agenda MPP. So the money in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use John and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party Amenyokuno. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Prez.Mahama president. Now also the upper by India so Selkebi. Na my can kaya yi were John the Prez.Mahama the book at Neze Ebuidi. Ya many and for the Messiah, Dr. Prez.Mahama the NS Assembly few. Now once again may catch a gun and Mabuni and I say, I'm man your 7 years. Eh daachinti na ya manyo se menye mprimprint ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti daachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye wo yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to serve public space. Do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Now one coach Kevin Taylor. Now one coach Destiny. Now one coach Mama take any sister Betty G. Nasa obe me dia. Fashion to me say me bo uchiya. Because I'm gonna starting first. Said you must see dear president at them. Sana yen so you started demo president at them. Sebi and can koye. And can koye me say so bet me na watch the sound for my bo mudine dia. You are free to go. But I won't show I'm not doing sa come dia me bo uchiya. We are ready so be and yes I watch me a jelly me. Na me mabusu ani bia no ho besu ama obi aba hwehwe no. Me na me catch low. And I mean to me a jelly woman no. Me, my di police station akwane ba ma ble. Me dia konodi. Ani aso kokote na bebo uchia. Me kotoko sia clates na ma to snap mienu de agina ho ama nso ba ko bia. Ti se wan che san krofo na ma bo mudi no. Na do nsa be kamia. Me se mebo uchia. What ya say? Mebo uchia kwase.
Breaking news second away and say Accra High Court ama akosia Aminat Mahama. Ba omi aba na no ide ni place che ma bronya no. Accra High Court ama ne bill 1 million Ghana cedis. It is 10 billion and de atoniti so no mo wie court say wo mo ba be girem so mo ba be belly no so no sureties no e wo se nya obi a oya aban adwuma oje akatua 5,000 cedis and above. It didn't answer 4,000, 4,900 per year. I was when you be, and I say, what's in your be our back or Saka or what landed property when you pay dima and what 10 billion, and what cantonment, bank court, and yet in some ketua bail condition, ketua, they are attached. Now, collect money away in and said, 2024, 2023, or my new year, dear, some of them feeling the NDC for a demonstration, or more demonstration, and no move suffrage trading and Ponyanko Ponce, or Marameco current president and the vice president, and now Danko for Dr. Mahmoud Bomia, or Mekom, or Mamma, mining my deno, one of the Hebraic mining my deno, or no suffrage trading and Pon, them to be one friend anonymous. Into one of Sufran anonymous say, there's some Fimo S2 Num Fre, Kumnanado, my radio, Kumnanado, my Kumba, Miamayano. One day, I'm saying, about 1
she said, they are press conference.
And nothing I make us say, your flag bearer in opposition, I can say, he believes, say, the state of emergency about illegal mining. 10 billion, as at that time, no, maybe you know, it is a crime about your company. I said, maybe a picture different.
And a buyer. ono wan fo oja wo de acid ankasa egu wan na ho hyehye nti acid no wo hwe egu yeso no ene ye din 17 months no ma chi nipa 17 enche next week ye ra June mu nti ye hwe nipa kro mba chi ni June no mesra manyamia mesra mma machi me enanyamia
NPP ni lady na endra yakwa akwache no me pese mi busa ye nyina ye ho se enti ye hwa abaya we ya yakwa akwache ni pa abaya we ya yakwache ni ensema okeka na o video yi mu enti mu ye hwa se abaya we ye jaya abaya we kura na sebi mpanyimfo manimu a abaya we ne nsema oka ye enti ye fa ni serious. It looks as if say omai no ya limit ya hutu enyoma emfa so mbre yen because enemi no wo kasai ebo 5 p.m. eko 6 a mobile money for omo Ghana ha nyinara ejaye adwuma omo pon omo kofi because omo suro say after those hours no akronfo bebo omo so aba beji omo sika enti adentina ye make sure say ye di security ye state security no ebe solve sa problem no enemi no kasai yema me mo mu digwa omokwa kwan tenten kofa neoma omokwa na omusuro because omusuro say akronfo ebe hie omo atata omo okwan encheye na akronfo ekohia Ghana local team players ye kun baako sa akronfo we mu a ene omo hatima amofo no sebi omo yakọ ansa na omahia di omo ho nkomo enti se yetimi de cyber security ene ade ko locate obi a wo ye video a adenti na yentimi mfa sa cyber security no en locate sa nkofo we na yentu omo so samfiri o man ni mu eno ne adwuma a yese ye hwe Ghana police ene cyber security unit ene the state agencies me che the security agencies eno ne adwuma a yese omo hwe na omo ye ho adwuma na say yakase ye limit yourself to misdemeanors obi akasa yenkofa no obi apost yenkofa no ebeye den no man ni yakoyanim asema me kan eya asemu a wa wutie mi wa wo hwe me wo de kwa adwendwene mu a wotimu se eto adwene mu because ya say edne obi ye mobile money ontimi nye mobile money anwumre because osuro say akronfo be kwa akotata no obi wo shop obi nwanse ye say akronfo abo awura ho ba bi wa sa akronfo we mu nyina no omo ye course ye ntimi mfasa ye security we en locate sa ankofo we before say nkomo no kromo plan no na nke yakwachi omo ejam hwe maade ani nsi nemom sanyoma ni nyina yemfa ya attention ko ho ye de attention ko omo kasa obi ono ne kasa abaya we ya wogina hoi e de pa na tese abaya we ugya no krampo a asem o kan ye obetima ye mama yanga te serious asoman na ye nyina ye hu se kasa ye kasa no enye bibi anti o se Ghana beko yie na se wote ho na wo ye Ghana panyini na wo yere oba unua o maame bi kwakwan so na akronfo akwakohia no age ne ho sika anaso o masa abo no abo ne tu agusu a enkansem wo ye aye kankam beti ase Gamo beti ase enti Ghana yesrese ye security no mama yemfa ye security no and solve these problems enu na hia enye so obi akasa yenkofa no obi ayese yenkofa no eno no emfaso ben na de bebre o man no after all wo de nipa ne court money bill or back kwanebra no it doesn't change anything nemum se yepese yekoye nim asomanya momma yentu wo mo a omode tuo sekan ekokro no boko kunkofo ko hankofo omo ne hia yen
this is say your party your politics ye ho nya akono ade na mo tete wo mo ma Prez.Mahama en reset your politics ni mayen na nya akono ne nyina ye nto aso nko Prez.Mahama the policy politics resetter mo ma ne reset ni mayen the good politics resetter Prez.Mahama mo ma ne reset mayen ye nyina ye okrom ha nanya kono nenye hwam ni yanhwe kwan a wo mo beba ko opposition 2028 ye be pam wo ma free Ghana konwa so ni wo mu dum so na akuafo a yentu wo mo ka wo mo abo wo mo so na wo mo bayire ye pam wo ma free aban mu ye be hwe de wo mo de beba kurom ha biem ene ye war ne besi e wo kurom ha war ne besie se MPP aban bi ba na ndisi mabunu yase ye de aban nanim be ye fom wo kurom ha ene ye war besi kurom ha war ne besi okun ne besi e wo kurom ha ya nyina ti kurom ha
se amubeton amubepe investors anyo so moton Omo pay investors. Omo enya atofo.
Omo enya investors.
Omo enya obia. 2020. Omo ye say omo beye. Omo enya obia. 2021 and almost sign call advertising in the Economist Daily Graphic. Almost advertising we are seeing now. So almost pay investors, partners. Yes, almost tongue. Almost pay partners. So time no. Na me ni abem.
Okay.
Na me ni abem. Na me ni minister. Me be minister 2023. Until 14 companies are a bid some partners meeting. Now my company ne can be.
Oh, number 14.
14.
Is there yesterday it was a so idea say unkwana.
Omo advert and yes I mean my company.
O company.
I'm separate from my company.
It's true, but oh dear.
Absolutely. 14 companies and a bid 2021. Na minister na juma ya me yen tinu Rock City no me margin is amount for management and I'm very happy with them. 14 companies 2021 and a bid. I knew about the bid.
Okay.
But I mean a bid. Yeah, but second time 2020 manji post. Until almost call through process na and almost shortlisted 3 companies. Senate. After 3 years, 2.5 years, open tender, a biographic movie, and I'm shortlisted 3. Into 3 companies, and I'm shortlisted. Now Rock City Kahubi. There was nothing wrong with the transaction until Midimba up for vice president. And the Bay issue.
Was it an agenda?
Then okay, Ghana honey away.
Doctor, what can you Ghana hand? Was it an agenda?
From 2021, there was nothing wrong with the Senate go through processes now from 14 companies, almost only so about 3 open. Probably be anyhow. Me be minister April 2023. Almost started at the end of 2021, 2022, 2023 April. And I'm a minister. Until Rock City was part of 3 now my shortlist. You know. It took 1 year, 2024, and no more enter negotiations. No problem be any. Kopim da, I became one of the potential names for vice president. And about for Kofa and no Edibai. And then Smith announced to say, that's so partners. I'm called parliament on this, I'm so partners. Because hotels in our essay. Ye caso woman declare profit 2024. Mubian who declare profit. None of the we declare profit ko check it. Snit that's what tia e binomo so light bills be seen. Pension is kind of so yes, time wa me be a minister 2023 no. Na be a transaction e do no. Because it started 2021. I go through processes assembly 2023 come be a minister. Assembly 2024.
I won't say no way threatened. So was it within the party? And a banner sana.
Work council mum na.
Me no me no me no dey do
for work council mum na.
Na me be say
blame it on the rain. Do you remember that song? This is what they do. This is how politics has become. And then they say that politics is dirty. Politics is not dirty. It is bad people who create that impression. Politics is not dirty. This politics that you've done, this kind of politics you've done, you are depriving old people. You see, if it was in some country, we'll take an impeachment process to parliament because you are depriving old people of their money. SNIT is a national backbone. You are depriving SNIT of money to satisfy your ego, your caprices and whims. You want to satisfy that ego and to bring down another. Ghana, we like that too much. The new generation is not like that. The youth are not like that. I see they push up each other. They're not like that. But
chairman, former NCA board chairman, on a member of this government went to complain